Alright guys, we gotta talk about ApeCoin and the massive moves it's been making in the markets. I'm gonna be diving into some key details that you guys help inform you about this amazing cryptocurrency. Let's begin. First off guys, ApeCoin is ranked number 28, 255,000 people's watch list, current price $4.66, with a market cap of $1.6 billion. Now, if you guys want to find more information, scroll down, check out ApeCoin on CoinMarketCap, or you can head straight to their website, guys. Now, ApeCoin is for the Web 3.0 economy, and if you want to read more key details about that, please check it out. But I'm going to dive in a little bit more when it comes to their trading aspect, because that's where I'm more interested in when it comes to ApeCoin. Now, we are looking at ApeCoin on the weekly. And when you look at ApeCoin on the weekly, guys, you can see that out of the many cryptocurrencies, this one has done pretty good. Now, I made a little bottom a few weeks back in November of 2022, and now sitting at about $3, and now we're sitting at currently $4.66. Now, when it comes to getting into this cryptocurrency, guys, I can definitely see that if this continues, we can see that this one will be making making a high, or hitting this high up here, up to the $6 area. Now, that's a big move from its current $4.66. Now, for me, how I would approach to get into this cryptocurrency, personally, I would enter in market and looking at exiting right here off of a simple trade. Now, if looking at cash positions, this would probably be a good time to, dollar cost average, enter in once a week, once whatever the time frame that I set it up to be, just to see if I can get this target profit, exit some of my position. It's possibly going to bounce back down from that area, but I'll look at re-entering or just holding that trade to this next previous high. Now, I see that it could hit this possible high of $7.60 around there, and that's the second target profit I would be going to. But the first target profit I'll be heading to is this $6 area, and then cutting some of my profits, and then locking in that trade by moving my stop loss. And if it runs up, then I'll take it out from here, and then I'll reevaluate the market. But if it doesn't do that, then I'll make an updated video, guys. But that's my analysis when it comes to trading this right here. And I like looking at it on the weekly first, because the weekly to me is like the best indicators of a trend. Also the monthly, but the weekly I can see a lot better. But let's check out ApeCoin's community. All right, let's check out this first one, guys. Now, if we get market cap on Doge and shit, these guys are game changers for all NFTs and Web 3.0. Basically, you can bring ApeCoin back to life. Let's see. I mean, he's thinking bullish too. Who else is thinking bullish? A lot of money. They don't know. Okay. Now they give a high APR, but 734, 750 ApeCoin will be seen. So this person sees about 750 for ApeCoin for the upcoming year. And a new event will unlock. Cliff unlock ApeCoin. So it's pretty interesting. More information about it. This guy says, ApeCoin, we fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. Millions of community support. Bullish back to go to the moon, basically. So there's a lot of people talking about this cryptocurrency, so please check out the community page. It's actually a lot of fun to read. Also, let's get into some other details. You want to find out some updates on ApeCoin, check out the Twitter page. They have 384,000 followers, have all their updates on there. That's where I like to check out updates, as their Twitter page or their home website. But if you guys want more details about it, please check out CoinMarketCap. I'll have a link in the description box below. But besides that, guys, check out my website, AndreJMcClendon.com. Now, for this, guys, I talk all about trading, have a lot of things about, business. I'll be adding some political stuff to the website soon. And check out my free education. Easy to try out. If you guys want some trading robots for MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, indicators, I do program those. So check me up on Fiverr or join my Telegram group. You can get direct contact with me. But besides that, guys, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.